Big shout out to everybody. And in this video, I want to show you how you can confirm or check your Pi rewards. Recently, Pi started paying validators for their efforts, for their energy in helping in validation. So if you've been actively involved in this task, probably some time ago, or you would like to be involved in this task, you're assured of getting rewards. Now, I want to show you how you can check your validation rewards. This is what you have to do. Come to this place called KYC, click on it. The moment you click on it, you'll be shown an interface like this, which is quite different from what it was before if you've been a validator before. Okay, so here you're going to see the Pi you earned, your performance, pending validations under verification, and verified validations. So where you have to go to is you have to click on verified validations. So when you click on verify validations, you can see the breakdown available. Okay, so if you've not yet received your own, don't be worried. Just click on this place called validation breakdown. So if you click on it, you will see the breakdown of validation. Now, if you haven't been paid, you will see this place here say pending. This payment status will be pending if you haven't been paid, but you have seen your allocated payment. You see this place here pending, all right? But if you have been paid, you will see this place here showing this paid. So you have to just go to your wallet and check for it in your wallet to be available in your available balance, all right? So that is how you can do that. Then this other part is how many Pi you've earned. Then here is how many validation, okay? So this is where you can check the status of your payment if you've been paid or not. If you've not been paid, you're gonna see this place showing pending, like I said earlier, until when you have been paid, and the date of payment is gonna appear there. All right. If you like this kind of content, I'll advise you subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos as well to get to more power users, to let them know that their validation reward is still intact. If you're also confused about the validation process, how it's being done, the mathematics inside, you just have to do what? Click on this by end. You click on it, you'll see the calculation for the validation payment process. So you can take your time, go through it. All right. Until I come your way again.